Welcome to the DM Kids YouTube channel.
Today we're going to be showing you the top 10 facts that will blow your mind in 2020. So let's get started. If you are a first time viewer, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel down below.
And turn on the bell notifications to get notifications when a new video releases. Fact number 1. Human hair is almost impossible to destroy. What? Hair is like the Superman of the body. Apart from burning it, there are very few things that can actually destroy it. Hair decays extremely slowly. It sticks around much longer than most parts of the body. In fact, it decays so slowly that Egyptian mummies dating back to thousands of years still have hair on their heads. Climate change, humidity, and temperature changes leave hair intact, as do a variety of acids and chemicals. The only real weakness that hair has is fire, probably because it is made up of 50% of carbon. Fact number 2. Everyone has a unique scent. Oh my god! Did you know that everyone smells? This doesn't mean that we stink, but we definitely have a particular scent that we can't wash away, regardless of how many times we bathe. This is because of certain chemicals that we secrete, called pheromones. This is how dogs and other animals are able to follow a trail and sniff out a suspect by smelling his or her clothing or some other personal article. We don't use a sense of smell to recognize people because you can hear and see them. But people who are deaf and blind often rely on smell to distinguish between their friends. Fact number 3. The microwave was invented by accident. Who knew? In 1946, a scientist named Percy Spencer was working for Raytheon Corporation. He was conducting radar-related research with a magnetron. A magnetron is a vacuum tube that releases microwaves to power radar equipment. Radar was vital for World War II. While working on the device, Percy noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket started melting. He found this strange and started conducting more tests. Finally, by 1947, Raytheon Corporation had a 5 feet tall 340 kg microwave. By 1967, it had been refined to the countertop oven we are all so familiar with. Fact number 4. No one knows who made the first film.
Of course, there should be someone who knew who made the first film, right?
Yeah, the answer to the question is here. The history of filmmaking is a long, complex one, and there's a lot of dispute over who made the first film. Thomas Edison is credited with inventing the first movie camera and filming a running horse. But this camera was too large and bulky to be taken out of a studio. The Lumiere brothers are credited with inventing the first camera, projector, and film. Auguste and Louis Lumiere's father owned a shop for photographic content. Both brothers experimented with the camera and other equipment. They tried to create a camera similar to Edison's but without its weaknesses. By 1895, they had invented a film camera called the cinematograph. They filmed workers coming out of their father's first factory, the first film. They also filmed a train pulling into the platform. Fact number 5. Walt Disney was afraid of mice.
But then how did he create a movie that was full of mice and was based on a mouse, Mickey Mouse?
Walt Disney, the founder of the Walt Disney Company, famous for his creations. Mickey and Minnie Mouse was actually petrified of the rodents. Before the famous company was established, Walt had a company called Laugh-O-Grams when he was 21, but the company didn't go too well and went bankrupt in just a short while. He then traveled to Hollywood with just $20 in one suitcase. He eventually ended up creating the most successful cartoon characters of all time. Another little known fact was that he himself lent his voice to Mickey in the first cartoon.
Fact number 6. Lachanophobia is the fear of vegetables. I know, right? It sounds so crazy. The word lachanophobia is created by merging the Greek words lachano meaning vegetable and phobia meaning fear. People with this phobia are anxious about vegetables for several reasons. The primary reason behind this phobia is the fear that the ground on which the vegetables have grown might be contaminated. The phobia can be acquired genetically or due to certain external events that have occurred at an early age. The fear of vegetables sounds amusing, but it is a serious matter. People suffering from lachanophobia display a wide range of symptoms on consumption of vegetables, such as fast breathing, irregular heartbeat, dry mouth, gasping for breath, nausea, sweating, stuttering, or a feeling of dread. The symptoms may vary depending on the level in the fear of the person. There are other forms of lachanophobia. For example, lachanomycosis is the fear of mushrooms. Fact number 7. The most expensive coffee in the world comes from poop. Ew, I know, right? The Kopi Luwak coffee beans comes from the excreta of a mammal known as civet. In many places, people own civets that are caged or allowed to roam in a small defined territory. These animals are the size of a common house cat. They eat ripe berries and pulpy fruits, defecating beans that are not completely digested. The defecated beans are then harvested for sale. The Kopi Luwak is the most expensive coffee in the world, produced mainly in the islands of Sumatra, Java, Bali, and Sulawesi, and sold mainly in Japan and the United States. Fact number 8. Apples, onions, and potatoes have the same taste. What? Have I been lied to? If you were to eat an apple, onion, and potato with your nose plugged, they would all taste the same. This is because your nose plays an important role in the sense of taste. As an apple, onion, and potato have the same consistency, you would not be able to differentiate between their tastes without the sense of smell. Fact number 9. Chicken tikka masala originated in the UK, not India. Chicken tikka masala, a popular Indian dish, was first made in Glasgow. It was created by accident in the Shish Mahal restaurant in Glasgow when a guest wanted some curry to go with his chicken. The chef, a Pakistani man named Ali Ahmad Aslam, prepared a sauce by cooking yogurt, cream, and an assortment of spices together. This was the first chicken tikka masala to be prepared. Approximately 1 among 7 curries sold in Britain are tikka masala. This dish is also highly popular in most restaurants in India. Fact number 10. Pearls melt in vinegar. There is a legend that says how Cleopatra, the ruler of Egypt, melted her pearls in a vessel containing vinegar. Cleopatra was the owner of 2 large pearls that were passed down to her through the hands of the kings of the East. She wore the pearls as earrings. When the vinegar container was placed before her, she took off one of the earrings and dropped it in the vinegar. The vinegar completely melted the pearl, and it is believed that Cleopatra swallowed this mixture later. I hope you guys enjoyed our top 10 facts that will blow your mind in 2020. If you found this entertaining, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel down below. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye!